Today's topic is present to be tense. This tense shows the state of present. Helping verbs is, am, and are. There are three helping verbs present to be tense have. Then we discuss about the structure of the tense. Subject plus helping verb plus article plus noun. Before noun you can also use adjective. So is used with singular helping or with singular subjects. He, she, it, and with singular name. Examples: she is a girl. She is a subject. Is helping verb. A is a article. A is a article. Girl is a noun. She is a girl. He is a boy. It is a knife. Said is a multi-millionaire. And am is used with only I. I am a teacher. I am a businessman. Are is used with they, we, you, and plural name. You are a naughty boy. Here naughty is an adjective that is used with a boy. They are soldiers. You are a beautiful girl. Beautiful is also adjective. We use adjective for increment. Said and Hira are well. So this was present to be tense video. So hope you enjoy. If you like our videos, please subscribe and like and share with friends. Thank you so much.